Hello everyone. Welcome to Jawad Soomro Productions. In this tutorial, I will teach you what is conditional text, how to use conditional text, what are their functions, and some additional options. Let's learn conditional text right now. What is conditional text? Conditional text is one of the less known features of Adobe InDesign. This feature lets you choose which text appears in a particular version of the file. To open Conditional Text panel, go to Window, type in Tables, and choose Conditional Text. You will get to see these two drop-down menus, Indicators and Set. There are two options at the bottom, New Condition and Delete Condition. You can create new condition by clicking on this button. This window will open up to customize your condition. Let's click OK. You can create as many conditions as much as you want. Take a note. As you create new conditions, InDesign automatically aligns different color for each condition. You can customize these colors just by opening the condition window and then changing the color. If you don't want any of these conditions, simply delete them by clicking on this button. How to use conditional text? Let's use this large paragraph as an example. I will be applying different conditions to random words in this paragraph. Now, let's create one condition. In this window, you can assign the name to your condition. For now, let it be condition 1. You can set the name descriptively. In Indicator, method allows you to either highlight or underline the text. If I take highlight, then appearance gets grayed out. If I take underline, then appearance turns on. Then you can customize your underline the way you want. You can set the underline to be either wavy, solid, or dashed. Through Color drop-down menu, you can select the type of color you want for your condition. Let's set the method to highlight and color to be cyan. Let's create a new condition. Let the name be condition 2. With highlight method selected, let the color be yellow. Let's create one more condition. Let the name be condition 3. With highlight method selected, let the color be green. Now, let's apply these conditions on random words contained in this paragraph. Now you can see blue, yellow, and green highlights present in paragraph. With the help of indicators, you can either show or hide the highlighted areas. If you want these highlights to show up in print, then click Show and Print. I can do the same for underline. Let's create fourth condition. Let the name be error. Let the method be underline and appearance be wavy. I am choosing red color for this condition. Let's apply condition 4 to random words in paragraph. See, these words look like an error. Now let's create fifth condition. Let the name be correction. Let the method be underline, appearance be solid, and color be violet. Let's apply condition 5 to random words in paragraph. See, these words look like they need some correction. It could be grammatical or any other correction. Let's create one last sixth condition. Let the name be vague. Let the method be underline, appearance be dash, and color be blue. Let's apply condition 6 to random words in paragraph. See, these words look like they need some attention as they are unclear. They must be restudied and replaced. Overall, you can create as many conditions you want that suits your expectations. You can toggle between hide and show for each of them separately. You can rename or delete these conditions anytime you want. You can even organize these conditions into sets of clarity. You can even apply multiple conditions by selecting all these conditions. Tick mark will appear next to condition's name. Set drop-down menu. Now, at the very bottom, you can see Set drop-down menu. This feature serves the purpose of organizing and managing multiple conditions for efficient control over their visibility. Let me explain you this in details. Right now, set is none. Now, look at these 6 conditions that I created earlier. Beside each of these sets, you have the option to check or uncheck these sets. But even before that option, we have visibility option. You can turn on or off the visibility of each set by simply clicking over here. Let's turn off condition 1, condition 5 and condition 6. I am doing this randomly. You are free to turn on or off as many sets you want. Now, in Set drop-down menu, click on Create New Set. You can write any name you want. I will keep it Condition Set 1. Now, let's go back to None Set. Let's turn off whatever condition I turned on before. Let's turn on Condition 1, Condition 5 and Condition 6. Go to Set and create New Set. Let the name be Condition Set 2. Now, when you toggle between Condition Set 1 and Condition Set 2, you would be able to see set condition visibility switching as well. So, the paragraph is also being affected as you switch the sets. You can create as many sets you want with any random combination of conditions. If you don't want any set, you can delete it by clicking on this drop-down menu and then click on Delete Condition Set 1 or Condition Set 2, whichever you want. You can even rename the condition sets by clicking on this drop-down menu and then click on Rename Condition Set 1 or Condition Set 2, whichever you want. Overall, this function makes it simple to create different versions of your document without manually adjusting individual conditions. Additional options. Last thing that I want to tell you about this panel, it is the top right corner button that looks like hamburger. After you click on this option, you will get the drop-down menu. First option is Hide option. When you click on this option, the set option will be hidden from this panel. When you click on Show option, the set option will come back to this panel. You can also create new condition from here. It's up to you. Whichever method is comfortable to you. Either you want to create new condition by clicking on this paper icon or through this corner option. Let's create new conditions. Condition 7 and Condition 8. You can even delete these conditions through this menu. Let's delete Condition 8. Now click on any of these conditions, then through this menu, you can edit the conditions by choosing Condition options. You can also open the condition options by double-clicking on it. It's all up to you. When you click on Show All, then visibility of all the conditions will turn on. When you click on Hide All, the visibility of all conditions will be turned off. With Load Conditions, you can import the conditions that you created in any other InDesign document. So, you would be able to reuse those conditions in your documents without the need of recreation. With Load Conditions and Sets, you can import both condition and set that you created in any other InDesign document. So, you would be able to reuse both conditions and sets in your documents without the need of recreation. With Select All Unused, you can select those conditions that you have not used in your document. See, Condition 4 and Condition 7 are now selected. Now, it's up to you if you want to keep those unused conditions or use them in your paragraph or maybe delete them. I hope this tutorial provided you useful information in learning everything about conditional text in Adobe InDesign. In my next tutorial, I will teach you how to use conditional text for designing a multilingual InDesign document without the need of creating separate documents for each language. You can email me at jawadsoomro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.